Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows apps or grayed out in the start menu on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type troubleshoot, trouble, troubleshoot settings, open it. In troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. You just need to scroll down guys and go to Windows Store apps troubleshoot, run it. After that, you just need to click on next for anything else you have it. I recommend to click on next. This can able to resolve your problems guys. This can able to fix hanging and or crashing apps not fixed. Close the troubleshooters. This can able to resolve your problems, and on left side you just need to select apps guys, left side. On right side select installed apps. In here you need to select Microsoft Store. Three dot icon over here, click on it and click advanced option and scroll down guys. Reset option. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app data won't it be affected, click on repair. Now after repairing this, go ahead and check whether the Windows grayed out is repaired or fixed in your computer. If not, get solved. If this app still isn't working right, reset it, the app data will be deleted. Click on reset guys, click it, reset. This can able to resolve your problems guys. Now go ahead and check it. And the last and final thing, want to go to search menu and type WSRESET. WSRESET. Here is the run command. You just need to click on run as administrator. Here, this will also help you to reset the Microsoft Store guys. This can also help you the grayed out screen in start menu. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. This tutorial definitely work for you. That's it guys. Thanks for watching my video.